Today, I'm going to show you how to build a Mo Salah fan app using Google Firebase Studio. Step by step and beginner friendly. Let's go. We're building an app for the king, Mo Salah, and we're using one of the easiest platforms out there, Firebase Studio by Google. First, head to firebase.google.com and click Get Started. Create a new project and name it Mo Salah app. Accept the terms and let Firebase do its thing. Next, enable Firestore and hosting. Firestore is where we'll store Salah's data, and hosting will make our app live on the web. Now, let's build a simple web page. We'll show Salah's image, his stats, and update them in real time. You can write this in basic HTML and CSS. Copy your Firebase config and paste it inside your HTML file. Then, import the Firebase SDK. That connects your app to Firebase. Time to add some data. Go to Firestore and create a collection called Players. Inside it, make a document for Mohamed Salah. Add fields like name, club, goals, assists, and image URL. In your code, use JavaScript to fetch that data from Firestore. Display it on your web page. And here's the cool part. When you update Salah's stats in Firebase, the app updates instantly. No refresh needed. Now let's make it public. Open your terminal and run. Firebase init. Then Firebase deploy. Boom! Your Mo Salah app is now online. Want to level up? Add a comment section using Firebase authentication and real-time database. Or let fans rate Salah's weekly performance. So that's how you build a real app, without writing any backend code. Firebase takes care of everything. Would you build a player app using Firebase Studio? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more football plus tech tutorials. See you in the next one.